Yeah, it's like a sea.
Alright, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a hair look. As you can see, bam, bam, bam. So yeah, so if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you watch the full video. Don't skip, just watch the whole thing. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also, just to let you know, I use my natural hair to do this video. I didn't use any wig or any extension, but if you do want to purchase a wig unit, make sure you go in my comments and purchase from my KARDASHIAN collection. But anyways, yeah, so let's get right into Kim K. First of all, let's talk about it. Your hair, like, it's lit. So I decided I would try it with my natural hair, and honestly, you can also do this with a wig, but I just like, let me just straighten my hair and just do it with my natural hair. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I straightened my hair earlier, so it's a little bit straight, and we're gonna get it started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is that I'm going to separate my hair on the top. And by the way, if I look this way, it's because I have a mirror right here because I need to see what I'm doing. So like, yeah. Let's start by separating the hair. So I'm using my tooth comb to separate my hair because I want it to be really properly like well done, I guess. Yeah. So as you can see,
the way you know they give me eyes, you make a trust as I catch you next time, yeah. Now when I see you, I they lose mine, yeah. In the morning or the noon time, baby girl, you gonna be mine, yeah. Soon time.
So I'm sorry guys, my camera when I was getting my hairbrush, but what I ended up doing is that I separated the back with a hair clip, and then I have this up here because now I'm about to just spray and gel the heck out of this. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So I'm gonna take my pony, do a little quick thing like this. Or we're gonna tease the heck out of this after. So don't worry about all that, sis. I'm gonna do some baby hair because baby hair is a part of my calling. So because my forehead is big as heck, so we need some baby hairs up in this piece. So baby hair it is. So I'm just gonna do this for now, and then after I'm done gelling, then I'm gonna do my baby hair. Kudos. Okay, so we're gonna take my Got To Be spray, and we're just gonna gently put some hairspray on my hair. Oh my god, it felt my cheek, yo. And I'm just going to brush this up.
Soon time, oh, yeah. When I see you, I they lose mine, yeah. In the morning or the noon time, baby girl, you gonna be mine, yeah. Soon time, oh, soon time. So when I see you walk, baby, you the boss. You they make a colomenta, you they make a pause. Every other girl in the room is never.
So what I like to do is I'm also gonna remove this pony just to make sure like it's guarding all the hair that you need your other gut to be cute, you know what I mean?
Fine wine, baby girl, you know this time be grind time. Tell me time and place, girl, I go find time. For you, I go they run on to the night time. Baby girl, I know you feel connection. Yeah, you know that me and you were destined. Remember in the summer we were texting, flexing. So when I see you walk, baby, you the boss. You they make a colomenta, you they make a pause. Every other girl in the room is never involved. It be me and you until the day we go be more.
So now I feel like this is really slick. So I'm gonna take my elastic and I'm going to close it off.
I see you, I they lose mine, yeah. In the morning or the noon time, baby girl, you gonna be mine, yeah. Soon time, oh,
so now we're gonna focus on the baby hair. Because the baby hair, I'm not gonna go like too hard with my baby hair just because like I don't need to go that hard. So I did my edges on off camera just because I haven't mastered doing like edges on camera, because I literally need, like, I don't know about you, but I literally need to be like in front of the mirror like this to be like doing my my edges. Anyways, it's not nothing too glam, just something basic, something cute, because I don't think Kim it goes hard on hers. Let me just take a quick look. Like, no, she doesn't go hard on hers. Hers is pretty subtle, so we're gonna do our subtle too, you know what I mean? So this is what it's looking out so far. I am so excited, yo guys, I'm so excited. Like, this better turn out so good, because if it does, honestly, I'll be copying this out for a minute. And I'm just going to kind of just put it aside for now. Put this here gently like this. All right, now I'm gonna let loose my hair. So you'll need your straightener for this part, okay? So you're gonna take a straightener, take your hair, and flip it. Okay. Okay, Kim. Yo, honestly, Kimberly, you better be watching this video, okay? You better watch this video, Kimberly. Yeah, she like. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do for like every little section. So we're gonna take a section here, and then we're just gonna flip the hair. So we're just gonna go flip it.
Every other girl in the room is never involved.
Okay, perfect. But Kim, I'm coming for you, okay? I am coming for Kim. To be honest, do we really know how long Kim's hair is? Like when I look at Kim's hair, I just like, I don't know. Like, is her hair actually this short? Or is it like mid? Is it long?
Nighttime, baby girl, I know you feel connection. Yeah, you know that me and you were destined. Remember in the summer we were texting, flexing. So when I see you walk, baby, you the boss.
So look at this. Honestly, this is even the look in itself, but we're gonna keep on going. So basically, all she does at the top, honestly, she doesn't curl the top. So I'm gonna tease the top just a little bit. So we're gonna go over this section.
I they lose mine, yeah. In the morning or the noon time, baby girl, you gonna be mine, yeah. Soon time, oh yeah. When I see you, I they lose mine, yeah. In the morning or the noon time, baby girl, you gonna be mine, yeah. Soon time. She got the brains and the body. Nobody fit to challenge you, oh my baby, oh. I know you wait till I see you, oh my baby. She be my shorty,
that's what Kim does. Or maybe her stylist does. Let's not fool ourselves. She's probably mostly doing her hair now since it's quarantine. And then all she does for the top is just to like straighten it.
In the morning or the noon time, baby girl,
you can kind of like, it goes like with the hair.
When I see you, I they lose mine, yeah. In the morning or the noon time, baby girl, you gonna be mine, yeah. Soon time, oh yeah.
And you were onto something. Oh my gosh, like guys, I'm only missing my earrings, so all right, I feel like now the look is like complete. Like, yeah, this is super cute. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, what do you think? I think I nailed it. Honestly, like if I look at Kim, I think I nailed it. I think I did. I think I did. Honestly, I think I did. Like, guys, look. Wow. 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 Like Kim, like you taught me something right now. And so this is the final look. Like yo, I did this. I did this. I did this. I did this. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. Like, yo, this is so cute. Like, this is super cute. Alright, well, thank you for enjoying my video today. If you want more like bangers like this, just don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. You know, show your girl some love in the comments. I will be back with more videos. So I'm trying to upload once, but maybe twice a week. So just stay tuned. Make sure you hit that notification button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.